most of the vegetable oil you buy in the supermarket is soybean oil. Now you can buy corn oil and olive oil and some others, but by and large, the mass produced oil there, cooking oil, comes from soybeans. So from a consumer point of view, we've been able to produce cooking oils that don't have trans fat anymore in soybeans, so that's a health issue. We can produce soybeans that are genetically programmed to have certain less amounts of some fatty acids and more of others that are more healthful, and we've done that. So from that standpoint, we have an impact on both the consumers and the producers of soybeans. Research that we do here is programmed in a way that we can ensure that the plants are productive for the producers, that we have some pest resistance from diseases and insects and nematodes, and thirdly, that they can produce the kind of quality that makes U.S. soybeans better in the world than, say, South American produced soybeans. We try to improve water use efficiency, which means trying to get more dry matter produced per drop of water supplied, whether it comes from rainfall or from irrigation. And we've done a lot of research in this area, searching for genes in the soybean chromosomes or linkage groups to find those water use efficiencies, and we're still working on that. And we're also developing techniques in which we can improve the timing of water applied to the soybeans. We can now, with a program that we just developed called UNL Soy Water, it allows producers to better schedule their irrigations to save at least an inch of water at the beginning of the season and perhaps an inch of water at the end. So soybean producers are aware of the fact that there's only a limited amount of Ogallala water, and the ability to use less of it and use it wisely is important. And so our agronomic portion of our research is directed at that, but so is the genetic part in terms of finding plants that use less water. We had some grant funding from the Water, Energy, and Agricultural Institute. That's a local one here at the university. We saw that producers were getting more high-speed internet access on their rural addresses, which meant they could start using a website. And so we developed something that would do the calculations for them, because farmers don't have a lot of time in the summer when they're trying to do everything else, that would calculate for them how much water their crop has used the past few days and when the next projected irrigation should be, and it saves them an awful lot of time. And all they need to do is just log on into the website. It's called UNL Soy Water. I call it the best thing since sliced bread for producers. So it really truly should enable them to save a couple inches of water every year that they probably end up over applying in most years and now don't have to put on.